Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a real game changer for your relationship and your bank account: how to save money as a couple. Talking about finances with your partner might seem a bit daunting, but trust me, getting on the same page can bring you closer and help you build an amazing future together. It's all about teamwork. So, where do you start? The absolute first step is open and honest communication. I know, you hear this all the time, but when it comes to money, it's non-negotiable. Set aside a relaxed time, maybe over a cup of coffee or a casual dinner, and just talk. This isn't about blaming or judging. It's about understanding each other's financial habits, goals, and fears. What are your individual dreams? Do you want to travel the world, buy a house, or start a business? Sharing these aspirations is the foundation for creating shared goals. Once you have those big dreams in mind, it's time to make them concrete. Let's say your shared goal is to save for a down payment on a house in 3 years. Great. Now, break it down. How much do you need to save each month to get there? Having a specific, measurable target makes saving feel less like a chore and more like a mission you on together. This is your why, the powerful motivation that will keep you going when you're tempted to splurge. Next up is creating a joint budget. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to combine all your finances into one single account, although that works for many couples. You could also maintain separate accounts and have a joint one for shared expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. The key is visibility. Use a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app to track where your money is going. You might be shocked to see how much those daily coffees or takeout meals are adding up. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It gives you control and shows you exactly where you can make adjustments. Now for the fun part: finding ways to save together. Turn it into a game. Challenge each other to a no-spend week. See who can find the best deals on groceries. Plan creative, low-cost date nights. Instead of an expensive dinner out, why not have a picnic in the park, cook a new recipe together, or have a movie marathon at home with homemade popcorn? These experiences not only save money, but also create wonderful memories. Remember, it's about the quality time you spend together, not the amount of money you spend. A really powerful strategy is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking accounts to your joint savings account right after you get paid. This is the pay yourselves first method. By moving the money before you even have a chance to spend it, you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow without you even feeling the pinch. Out of sight, out of mind, and straight into your future fund. It's also crucial to celebrate your wins along the way. Did you hit your savings goal for the month? Amazing! Acknowledge that achievement. Maybe treat yourselves to a small, budgeted indulgence. This positive reinforcement makes the process enjoyable and sustainable. Remember, saving money as a couple is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but as long as you keep communicating, supporting each other, and staying focused on your shared vision, you will succeed. Building a strong financial future together is one of the most rewarding things you can do as a couple. It strengthens your bond and sets you up for a life full of possibilities. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on living your best life. We'd love to hear your own money-saving tips for couples in the comments below. See you in the next video.